got the bird.
Okay, fine.
One for us.
No. Both.
Out. Where's the line for out? I got
know. It's a tree.
Harley, look at Nanny.
Okay, pay attention. Pay attention. Out.
She's waiting on you.
That butterfly got you again.
Get back.
Yeah, that's what Carly
Katie,
said.
get back.
Carly, you're making fun of
There he
us.
is again.
Carly, can you not stand 4 inches from me? This is not going to be good. Ooh, I'm going to get a racket in the head. It's on you again.
Okay, what's our warm up? Game starts now.
Yeah.
Oh!
No, you didn't think that.
No, we're playing side to side.
Quiet, 1-0.
Sorry.
Oh, into the net!
1-1.
I heard
Okay,
that.
Kate. 2-1. The bad guy.
We have two.
No, they have to.
Here comes the
I
ball.
heard your plan, so I had to explain what you're doing.
Comes the ball.
Okay, we tried.
You have to drop it.
Explain, not
You have to drop it.
Oh!
Drop it.
Yeah, that's your story.
You have to drop it.
Daddy!
You have to drop it.
I'm using Nanny's method. That's not like the Nanny method.
What is it? Oops.
You have to drop it.
Not
She doesn't move her feet.
Drop it.
the Nanny method.
Drop it.
No!